Well, also new overnight, a canceled concert and a fight shutting down Lansdowne Street. Nick Giovanni is live in Boston with these details. Nick.
Brianna, this happened right in between what were supposed to be back-to-back Kodak Black concerts. But if you look at the sign that's still on the door even this morning, it says Kodak Black will not be performing tonight. Police were actually called to the scene over reports of a fight right around 8:30 last night. This was a look at the scene. Boston EMS tells me 2 people had to be transported to the hospital. Now, beyond that, we're still trying to figure out what actually happened. The Herald's reporting when police got to the scene, there were large crowds of people shouting outside the concert hall, and there was an altercation of some sort that started right in front of the building, according to witnesses. And officers wound up shutting down Lansdowne Street, where we are now, for about 90 minutes as a result of this. Again, rapper Kodak Black scheduled for back-to-back concerts here, but the House of Blues tweeted their apologies, adding, due to unforeseen circumstances, the Kodak Black shows have been postponed. We have reached out to BPD this morning. Emails, phone calls. We're standing by to learn more about what happened. For now, we're live outside the House of Blues. Nick Giovanni, WBZ This Morning.